When it comes to life insurance, two giants stand in the spotlight: Northwestern Mutual and John Hancock. The big question: who really has your back? On one side, we have Northwestern Mutual, renowned for stability and personalized service. On the other, John Hancock, famous for innovation and rewarding healthy living. Let's cut through the advertising noise and focus on what actually matters. We'll judge them across key categories, scoring points for each win so you'll know exactly who comes out ahead. The answer might surprise you. Before we dive in, let's get a quick overview with a mind map. Here, what we'll be breaking down: premium cost, policy flexibility, cash value growth, financial strength, health and wellness integration, and finally, customer and digital experience. Ready? Let's get rolling. Kicking things off with premium cost, you know what you'll actually be paying up front and over time. So Northwestern Mutual is famous for its stable dividends in the long run, and if you go for whole life, the premiums can actually be pretty competitive. But honestly, their term life premiums, yeah, they're typically a tad higher than a lot of competitors. Now, John Hancock has this aggressive pricing on term and universal policies, like they're often one of the best deals around. Plus, you can snag discounts for being healthy. The only catch: with some policies, those premiums can creep up later. So overall, John Hancock definitely takes the edge here for affordability. Next up, policy flexibility. Northwestern Mutual does a solid job with strong whole life options and some pretty decent product flexibility, especially if you're looking to convert your policy down the road. The catch: they're a bit stingy on living benefit riders. John Hancock, though, is like a buffet: term, whole, indexed, universal, variable, you get it all. Oh, and their vitality program also means you can tack on some pretty cool riders. The one hang-up: some of the cash value benefits may shift with the market. Still, if you want flexibility, John Hancock leads this category hands down. Moving on, cash value growth. Now here, where Northwestern Mutual really flexes: their whole life products, industry-leading for building cash value over time, plus they've paid out annual dividends like literally every year since 1872. You don't see that often, I'll admit. Growth is a little slow at the start, but stick with it and the rewards come. John Hancock, on the other hand, brings some heat with their indexed and variable universal policies. The performance can be strong, but their dividend history just isn't as consistent. So for cash value accumulation and reliability, Northwestern Mutual is the clear champ. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. The very first U.S. life insurance policy dates all the way back to 1761, and it was actually issued to cover a preacher's debts. Talk about history, right? Let's talk financial strength. Okay, Northwestern Mutual wears all the badges here: A++ from AM Best, AA+ from Fitch, AAA from Moody's. Plus, it's a mutual company, so profits go to policyholders, not shareholders. The other side: less in the way of online, direct-to-consumer stuff. John Hancock's not far behind with solid ratings and global muscle, thanks to its parent company, Manulife. But, and this is crucial, they're not fully mutual, so some profits head out to shareholders. All things considered, Northwestern Mutual just has that fortress reputation, so it wins this category. Here's something fun: health and wellness integration. Northwestern Mutual, well, they sprinkle in some wellness discounts, but honestly, it's not a main feature. John Hancock, though, is all in with their vitality program. You can earn up to a 15% discount for healthy habits, and get this, they even hand out Fitbits or Apple Watches. The catch: you need to stay engaged or those perks fade away. But when it comes to wellness, it's not even close. John Hancock dominates. Last, let's chat about customer and digital experience. Northwestern Mutual is super traditional. You'll get real deal, one-on-one advisor relationships, and honestly, their claim payout rep is one of the best. But if you're looking for slick self-service web tools, not so much. John Hancock's got modern online calculators, quick online quotes, and generally more digital flair. But hey, the advisor experience can be hit or miss. Honestly, both have strengths here for different types of people, so this one's a tie. Let's visualize how these two stack up side by side with a radar chart. John Hancock's ahead for price, flexibility, and wellness. Northwestern Mutual absolutely shines in cash value and financial strength. Customer and digital experience, pretty neck and neck, so you kind of see where each company has its superpowers. So what's the bottom line? If you want world-class whole life, crazy good financial strength, and a time-tested payout record, Northwestern Mutual is honestly hard to beat. If tech matters more, you want flexibility, or you're up for earning rewards just for being healthy, John Hancock is super compelling. Both are strong, just depends on what fits your life right now. If this helped you, save or share for your insurance journey, and stick around for more updates and tips to help you stay protected.